Welcome back. More clarity this evening about the changing roles of justices of the peace once the National Identification System NIDS comes into effect. Among the changes, JPs will no longer be needed to sign certain official documents. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck provided more details at a justice seminar in St. Mary this weekend. Krista Campbell has the details.
Minister without portfolio in the office of the Prime Minister, Floyd Green, who is responsible for the National Identification System NIDS program, disclosed this week that Jamaicans won't need a Justice of the Peace's signature to verify certain documents when the NIDS cards are fully operational. At a workshop in St. Mary this weekend, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck explained why.
Once the person has a NIDS card, they can take it to the bank, to the utilities company, to any private or public institution, and that institution, according to law, will accept it as representing the identification of the person. So there will be no need, for example, for a GP to witness or to sign the back of a passport picture. Once a copy of the NIDS card is shown with the photograph, that will be sufficient.
In fact, he says you'll only need to write your NIDS number on the passport application form and the processing officer will verify your details from there. There is also one less work for Justices of the Peace, JPs, to do when the NIDS cards are activated.
A number of Justices of the Peace have been writing almost on a yearly basis for pensioners to the Social Security Ministry to say that they're still alive. That service will no longer be needed once the NIDS Secretariat is in operation, because the Registrar General comes under the NIDS, and as soon as a person dies, it will be reported, and therefore Social Security will know that the person has died.
And JPs will be specially identified on their own NIDS cards.
If they have a NIDS card before being commissioned, then the card can be exchanged with the JP added on, or they can wait for the 5 or 10 year period when new cards are issued and the new designation of being a Justice of the Peace would be added.
Despite continued concerns about possible data breaches, the government says the pilot launch of NIDS will be done during the second half of this year. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.